Today, as I went to watch the clouds in the sky, I suddenly saw that the first flower of the year had bloomed on my tree. It has a very beautiful Bengali name, Olokananda. It felt like the name itself holds a magical kind of beauty. The soft fragrance and gentle look of the flower filled my heart with peace. Dark clouds were scattered across the sky, and everything around looked so beautiful. Seeing all this, my heart kept saying, how wonderful and unique is the creation of Allah. That's all for today. Ta-da!